Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to take a look at this new offering from Neewer. Now, I know a lot of you guys reach out to me and always ask me, how am I doing my product videos, my how-to videos? Am I using a top-down camera? Do I have a gimbal? How can I easily set up, or you easily set up a camera to be able to record some of the things that you guys have seen me do in the past? Okay, this device right here might be exactly what you're looking for. Let's open the box, take a look at everything that comes in it, and I'll do a demo for you guys as well, so you guys will get a really good idea if this is going to be right for you in your workflow. You guys ready? Let's go. All right, guys, let's take a closer look at this Neewer Neck Holder Mount Pro. Yeah, let's take a look at everything that comes in the box. All right, guys, let's take a look at everything that comes in the box. Now, if you do not have a phone that has MagSafe, it does come with these MagSafe rings that you're going to be able to connect to your phone. No problem there. Comes with a little cleaning cloth. That's really nice. And as far as applying the MagSafe, it does come with your wet and your dry wipe, your wet and dry wipe. It also comes with these little protectors, so if you wanted to use those to, add additional scratch protection on your phone, it comes with these as well. You also receive this little lanyard. There is this tripod mount, which is going to be great for things like your GoPros. It also comes with the nut screw that goes in there in order to connect this to your GoPro. That's really nice. It comes with the phone mount. So this phone mount is adjustable. It is very, very rigid. Guys, that's going to be great for, setting your phone up. I'll demo that here in a second to show you guys what that looks like. But this is the component that's going to connect. It also comes with what is called a belly strap. Now, what you do with this is you actually wrap this around your waist, your belly. If you're going to be doing something action related like running or something like that, and you want to be able to keep this stable, it comes with this little belt, and it does have these adjustable little clips that you can disconnect. So if you ever need to take this apart, you can do it easily without having to take the lanyards and everything off of that. All right, so here is the actual device. Now, it comes with a smart manual. That's going to be great for those who want to read up on this, but I'm going to try to walk you guys through as much of it as I can. Now, as you guys can see, this is folded up. You can easily unfold this. This is going to be great for transporting it, the ability to fold it. You have this little metal hook right here, and this is just going to clip in like so, and that's going to lock it closed. Okay, so this is the portion that's going to go around your neck, and it is adjustable. Now, when it comes to attaching the rings, you're just going to take this, place it in like so, and then rotate it until you hear it click. And now that is locked in place. And that would be the same as if you were going to use this with the smartphone adapter. There are two buttons here on the back. The bottom button, as you guys can see here, releases whatever is connected to the front. The top button here is what's going to release the neck loop. Just press this down and then you'll be able to pull this out like so. Whenever you want to take this off and then fold it back up, it just locks back in place. So if we're using, say for instance, our GoPro accessory, this does have magnets in it, as you guys can see. You're just going to take that, look at that, I want to jump right in, and then just rotate that guy into place, whichever direction you want it. And of course, add your action camera of choice. That could be a 360 camera, a GoPro, or any of the cameras on the market that uses the same type of GoPro feet. You're going to be pretty much good to go. All right, so let's get this on and do a demo showing you guys from the phone's perspective what this looks like. All right, guys, as you can see from this perspective, easily enough, I'm able to demonstrate a product. I can just pick this product up and I have that POV perspective. This is going to allow me to do a lot of demos. Maybe I'm live streaming and also using my phone as one of my additional cameras. That means I can move around the scene and show you guys what's going on in detail and still have both of my hands free without having to worry about, holding a gimbal or trying to constantly move the camera's perspective. I'll be able to move naturally like I normally would throughout a scene, and you guys will be able to see that if I'm recording it. So I think this is going to be an excellent addition to my workflow, and hopefully for those out there who are looking for something like this to give you that POV perspective, this is going to be a win. All right, guys, it's been Rome with Rome Knows Tech. I just want to do a quick video showing you guys the Neewer Neck holder mount pro. Yes, this is a beast. All right, guys, I will see you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.